In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a test order on Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is first set up your test bogus payment. So first click on the settings in the bottom left corner of the screen and select payments. From here, choose a provider and simply search for test. And as you can see, there is a payment provider here that is Bogus Gateway for testing. So just click here and activate it. So now it's activated. What you want to do is simply go to your online store and just click on your online store or simply click here on view your store. So now as you can see, for example, this. So if you have added a product right here on your online store, what you want to do is to just simply check out your own product. So after checking out your own product, what you want to do is use the Bogus Gateway as your payment method. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.